worth it pa ba ang engineering course?
Huwag mong subukan, masisira ang buhay mo.
Hi, this is your Engineer Opa at your service. Pinag-iisipan mo rin bang kunin ang kursong engineering? Pero di mo alam kung worth it pa ba? Parang kayo. Joke, peace.
Sana all.
Let me share to you my personal opinion about this. Kung usapang worth it lang din, syempre.
Paano masabi?
Engineering course is one of the most in-demand courses.
Nice.
Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, kundi sa ibang bansa din. At maraming opportunity dito. But sad to say, hindi lahat ng institution really provides good quality teaching when it comes to this course. Kaya maganda, pumili ka talaga kung saan mas matitrain ka. Hindi lang theoretical, pati practical. At the end, I still believe na worth it pa rin to. And learning should never stop even after graduation. Gusto mo ba malaman kung ano ang best school to study engineering? Then see you on our next video.